Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and delete files on a MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course your MacBook and open it, and here you'll have of course your desktop, as you can see. But now guys, let's see what we else have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Finder, the File, Edit, we have the View and Go options, and we also have the Window and Help. In the top right corner, we have the time and date, the of course battery and Wi-Fi and all those things. And in the bottom, we have all the applications that you use the most. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete files on MacBook. So first of all, locate the file that you want to of course go and delete. So this could be in the Finder, desktop, downloads, or any other folder that you have. So for instance, we have this tab here, you have this folder here that I have in the top right corner. Then right click and select move to trash. So right click on it and then go and select move to bin. Sorry, it is moved to bin, and it will immediately be moved to bin. The bin is in the bottom right corner here, as you can of course see. So now when you do that, alternatively you can also select the file and press Command plus delete. And then of course, if you want to permanently delete it, you can go and right click on the trash icon in the dock and select empty trash. So click on here and then click empty bin, sorry again, and it will be, you'll have this, click empty bin, you'll hear this voice, this sound, and it will be emptied. And that's how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything. Bye guys.